Okay, so I was just outside with some really nice cows, and I wanted to make a video with the cows because I want to teach you about the English word livestock. However, it started raining very hard and I had to come inside. So we don't have the cows in this video, but we are still going to talk about the word livestock. Livestock basically just means farm animals, but it does not include birds and it does not include fish. So in the United States, when we hear the word livestock, we usually think about cows, sheep, goats, horses, pigs. However, it might be very different if you are in a different country where you have different animals on farms. And you might be thinking, Mike, this topic really isn't important because I don't live on a farm. I don't work on a farm. Well, if you ever plan on visiting the United States, you need to know this word. Because when you arrive at the airport in the United States, immigration is going to ask you this question, or a very similar question, and that is, have you been in close proximity with any livestock? Which basically means, have you been near or have you touched any farm animals? And they ask you this because they are worried about any bacteria or viruses that could cause diseases. So if you have been working with animals, or if you have touched an animal recently, you should say yes. If you say yes, they'll probably just ask you a few extra questions, or maybe ask you to show them the shoes that you wore on the farm to make sure that they're not covered in dirt or poop or other stuff. And if you were not near any farm animals, you can just say no. And since we're talking about farm animals, I want to give you one more word, and that is domesticated animals. Domesticated animals are basically animals that can work with humans, or animals that can live with humans. So some examples of domesticated animals are dogs, cats, pigs, sheep, horses. The opposite of a domesticated animal is a wild animal. So some examples of wild animals are bears, tigers, wolves. So yeah, I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching.